located in the top right of your itsLearning. So in this purple toolbar, you will click the messaging icon, and you will see a list of messages if you have already received some. Usually messages are generated by course reports letting you know who has come into the course, and it's generated automatically. And also these are just messages that are sent to you by a particular person. To create a new message, you will go right up to where it says new, and then you can begin typing out the specific person's name. So let's say I wanted to add my colleague, Ms. King, to the message. I can. And I can also add my program manager's name on there as well if I wish. Then once you add more than one person, it asks you if you would like to send this as an individual message to each recipient, or if you want to start a group conversation. I would highly suggest that you do this as sending this individually to the recipients so that they can respond at will. We're not really sure how our students will respond or what they will say in a group message. So to avoid any type of issues, I would do it as an individual message. But if you feel like you trust everyone in this message, you are free to click this here and have a group conversation. You can also add emojis within your message by clicking the emoji icon on the bottom right. You'll write your message and then you'll add your emoji as stated. You can also add attachments by clicking on the clip icon here, and it will open you up to your hard drive. So you won't have access to the course resources or your Google Drive. I also want you to notice that before you hit send, you can also send it to an entire course. So this particular course that I'm in right now is called the Sandbox course, as you guys can see it on the far left here. If I begin typing out Sandbox, I can then see which of my Sandbox courses that I want to add. So this will be going out to all the participants. Also, you can do it to any groups or communities. So if you have a club that you created a community for, that's a non-graded itsLearning course, then you can add that here as well. So I have a chess club here that I can go ahead and add that in there. And so now you have the options to add individual people. You can add multiple people. You can do a whole group of courses. And you can also do a whole group of a community / group. So I'm going to X out my Sandbox course here in my community and leave Samantha and Miss Tammy Kemp on here as well. And I'm just going to hit send. And it's let me know that it was sent to 2 people just now, and it was sent to them individually. And that is how you would do individual messages. To view all your messages that you have, if this window is too small, feel free to come down at the bottom and select all messages. And that is it. And that is how you will create messages within itsLearning.